Hi everyone, and welcome to Vocabulary episode 10, Homophones part 4. It's been a long time coming, but it's here. Let's have a look at 5 sets of homophones. Pair. Pair, A-I-R, means the number 2. So a pair of gloves, a pair of socks, a pair of trainers, a pair of sneakers if you're American. And that's a noun, but it can also be a verb, to be paired with someone. So pause the video and read the examples to get a better understanding of what I mean with the word pair. And let's compare it to the other pair. P-E-A-R. This is the fruit, and it's just a noun. So you can read the examples and look at the picture to understand this one. Let's go to our next set of homophones. Hear. H-E-A-R. This means a sound coming through your ear. Okay, so it can be a verb, of course. I can hear something, I can't hear something, or in the past I heard something, or I have heard something if you want to use present perfect grammar. So pause the video and read the examples. And let's compare it to the other here. H-E-R-E. Now this is an adverb, and it can talk about a location, like come here, don't come here, do you live here? Or it can talk about introducing someone or something. So here's your coffee. Here's my friend. So pause the video and read the examples. Now let's go to our next set of homophones. Fair, F-A-I-R. Now as an adjective it talks about equality. So that's number 1. So this is fair or this isn't fair. Or it can just mean light-coloured. Light-coloured skin is fair skin, so you can see my skin is fair. It's very, very white, but my hair isn't fair. Okay, so it's the opposite of fair. So pause the video and read these examples. And let's compare it to the other fair. Now this fair, F-A-R-E, talks about money. Now as a noun, it's the money you pay to use any kind of public transport. So the fare of the train means how much money you have to spend to actually use the train. But as a verb, it means, and look at number 2, how well you do in something over a period of time. So pause the video and read the examples to fully understand what F-A-R-E means. And now let's go to our next set of homophones. Hair. Now this is a relatively easy one. It's an uncountable noun, and it's the hair on my head. So H-A-I-R, hair. But remember that it's uncountable, which means you can't say a hair, okay, or hairs, the hairs. Okay, you say my hair. I have lots of hair. Okay, so it's uncountable, so remember that. And let's compare it to the other hair, H-A-R-E, which is a noun, and it's a very big rabbit. Okay, so a very big rabbit is also a hare, H-A-R-E. Now let's go to our final set of homophones. Stair, S-T-A-I-R. Now this is clearly the stairs, or the steps, if you want to simplify it with a synonym, that go up or down in a building, or even outside a building. So S-T-A-R just is a noun, and it means steps. And now let's compare it to S-T-A-R-E, stare, to do with the eyes, okay? So when I look at you for a long time, this is called stare, and it can be a verb or a noun. So it's to do with the eyes, S-T-A-R-E. So pause the video, read the examples, and practice them. And of course, good luck.